Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Ruel is back on this channel. You can check out my playlist. I should have a playlist, I believe, 15 or 20 songs like that. If I haven't, I will fix one for you guys. I Can Die Now, that's the title of the song. That's not what I feel like personally, but anyway, this is his song. Let's go into it. And as you can see, we don't have any capo here. It's clean on fretboard. Let's go into the chords. 4 chords only. Let's start with E minor, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Next chord is G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have D next. That will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have the C. And that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. So we have this chord progression. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We're going to come into that first, the strumming pattern. Now, if you grab the first chord, E minor, you're going to play down, up, clap, up. And that is one round. So, okay. So down, up, clap, up. Later, we have to split this into 2 parts. So the first part will be down up. Okay, so let's go into the chord progression now. We're gonna start with E minor. You're gonna play 1 full round plus this first part. So down, up, clap, up, and then down, up. Then you have just one note you're gonna hit, and that is the 2nd fret E string. And it's just a bridge note over to the next chord. You just give one kick on the bass string there. And I use my mid finger for that because I'm gonna slide with that finger to the 3rd fret and get the G chord, okay? So that's just some technical stuff there. On the 2nd fret E string, I play that note and I slide over to G. And once I'm there, I'm gonna play 2 full rounds of G. Then I switch to D and play 2 full rounds. And finally, I play C 2 full rounds. And that is 1 full chord progression round. So to repeat, we had the E minor, 1 full round plus part 1, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then the note on the 2nd fret E string, hit once, and then slide over to G, 2 string rounds, D, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds. Slowly, it goes like this. And in tempo. That's it, guys. Rules. I Can Die Now. Not really yet, but maybe soon. Who knows? Anyway, thank you for watching and play tuned.